Hi, I'm Sandra Hawkins and I want to show you the logical operators in Java. So there are three: and, or, and not. So firstly, to look at and. So what it needs is a true on both sides of the and in order for it to return true as your condition. And it's known as a short circuit operator. So if it finds a false on the left hand side, it doesn't bother checking the right because the condition is going to be false no matter what. So let's do a little example here. So say you have a club and you're only allowed in people that are in their 40s. So it has to be 40 something. So the condition for this would look like if age is greater than equals to 30 and age is less than or equals 39. So we would allow those people in. So print out here. And I love putting on an else as well. It's optional, but just in case the condition is false, I want to see that something else gets printed out as well. You are not allowed in. Sorry. So currently age is 35. So the left-hand side of the and here is 35 greater than or equal to 30. Yes. So now it needs to check the right-hand side because it needs true on both sides. And is age less than or equals 39? Yes, so run that. You are allowed in. And then somebody under 30, so we'll go with 25. But this time, is age greater than or equal to 30? No, it's 25. So the left-hand side is going to evaluate to false. And because this is a short circuit operator, it will not check the right-hand side. The condition will be false anyway, and it'll go straight down and execute the else. So that is the AND operator. Now onto the OR operator. So the OR needs to find a true on either side. So if it finds one true, the whole condition is going to be true. So for that reason, if the left-hand side is true, it doesn't bother checking the right-hand side because the condition is going to be true anyway. And this is also a short circuit operator. So let me type up something here. So I have the season, it's summer, and the temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. I will go outside if it's summer or the temperature is 16 or over. So how do I write that? If the season, when you're comparing strings, you need to use a dot equals method. By using the equals operator, it's not guaranteed to return true for strings. I need to explain that in another video. If the season equals summer or the temperature is greater than equals to 16. So my theory on that is out you go. Oops. Sorry, undo. So out you go. Otherwise, you can stay in. Now, for this example here, just run that. So the season is summer, so that's true. So the OR needs to find a true on either side. So because it's a short circuit operator, it's not going to bother checking the right-hand side because it knows that the whole condition is going to be true. So out you go. If the temperature here, let's just change this to winter, but it's a hot winter in Ireland. So if the season equals summer, this is now false, but it does need to check the right-hand side because it still needs to find a true. So is the temperature 16 or over? So yes, so in this case as well, out you go. But if it gets a little bit cooler, 10 degrees, so now, is the season summer? No, but it will check the right-hand side. And is the temperature 16 or over? No. So in that case, there was a false on both sides and it will go down to the else. So you can stay in. So that is our OR. It's short circuit. It will not check the right-hand side if it found a true on the left-hand side, because it knows that it only needs one true for the whole condition to be true. And finally, to look at the not operator. So it returns the opposite of a Boolean's current value. So if you were to type in not true, that would mean false, and not false would mean true. So let's type in a little example here. So say there's a Boolean called is logged in. So if I were to write is not is logged in, that condition is saying if, for instance, the user is not logged in. And then I'll put in something here, please log in. So I currently have is logged in as true, so if I run that, you'll see that nothing gets printed out. But if I change that there to false, now is logged in as false, so not false becomes true. If my condition for my if is true, then I will get that. Please log in. So that can be a little bit complicated. So that reads, if is not logged in, well then I'm going to display a message, please log in. So that is the not operator. So that is your and, or, and not. And please note that the and the or are short circuit in that depending on which one it is, they may not check the right hand side.